Guys, there's quite a big beehive here. Look at this. Here, I'll show you. Look at this, guys. It's quite a decent sized beehive. Look at that. The bees are still there. It's quite big now. One got in. Look at that. Second got in. Yep. Let me get a little closer. Look at this, guys. Oh my god. Look at that. Oh my god, that was so close. You saw that, guys? That was crazy. But luckily, they are not going to sting me at this distance, which is good. Look how many there will be inside. Oh my god, there's one here. Oh. It's good that they don't hurt me. They don't sting me. And we can have a closer look at how many there are. Look at there. Oh my god. That is crazy, and look how big it is. This is quite huge, guys. This is quite big. Look at that. Oh my god. Look. What are they communicating, guys? Okay guys, I'll end the video. Guys, I'm sorry, my video quality is poor. Oh my god, guys, that was close. They don't sting me, but I was blocking their way, so look at that.